Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on how to create a stacked bar chart in a dashboard. A stacked bar chart shows the proportional contribution of individual categories to a total value horizontally. The length or height of each bar represents how much each category contributes to the total. This chart is mainly used to display the contribution of subcategories that make up the primary category values. Let's see a real-time example of a stacked bar chart. In this example dashboard, this gross salary breakdown by department is a stacked bar chart. It shows how much of employees' total salaries are made up of gross pay, incentive pay, and overtime pay. Let's see how to create a stacked bar chart in a dashboard. This construction quality management dashboard helps construction companies manage and monitor the quality of their projects. I am going to recreate this defect count by type and project type stacked bar chart. First, I drag and drop a stacked bar chart from the toolbox into the design panel. You can resize the widget as needed. Under the Properties tab, I add the widget title and description. In the Assign Data tab, you'll see the available columns from the connected data source. A stacked bar chart requires a minimum of one value element and one column element to showcase the widget. I bind the design defects, construction defects, and workmanship defects columns under the measure value section and provide the aggregation function of sum. Then, I bind the project type column in the dimension section and apply sorting for the dimension. I select the field option in the sort by section and use the design defect column and sum function to sort the chart. I select the descending option for sorting order. Next, we can also use multiple column values to enable drill down. To learn more about drill down, refer to the video link provided in this video's description. Now we can see the number of defects by defect type and project type in the widget. The stacked bar chart has been configured successfully. Now, let me apply properties to the widget under the Properties tab. Under Basic Settings, by default, the Show Tooltip option is enabled. It can be disabled if needed. You can also switch chart types here. You can also customize legend names if needed. Select the position and shape options based on your need. Next, I apply formatting to show color variation in each data category. Then, I enable the Show Value Label option to display the value of each category. These are default properties that are applied when configuring the widget. The widget is successfully recreated. I publish the dashboard to save the changes. Here, this defect count by type and project type widget shows the number of defects divided into design, construction, and workmanship defect types for each project type. The best practices for using stacked bar chart are: negative values should not be used in the axis to compare categories. The order of categories should be consistent across all the bars. Value labels and legends should be used to make the categories in the chart more understandable. Next, I will show you a few dashboard examples that use stacked bar charts. In this Axosoft Release Management dashboard, a stacked bar chart is used to review the time taken for items in each workflow status. In this construction project monitoring dashboard, a stacked bar chart shows the workload of resources categorized into three types: completed, remaining, and overdue. Similarly, you can use stacked bar charts to showcase your data totals and the subcategories that contribute to them. In this video, we have learned how to create a stacked bar chart in a dashboard. Please leave a comment with any questions you may have or if there are any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.